Hey guys, it's Neveda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of fun. I wanted to show you guys how I make my facial oil because I'm out, so I need to make a new batch, and I actually have some new oils that I really want to try. A lot of the products I have are from Thrive Market, and if you don't know what Thrive Market is, they're basically like a kind of delivery service grocery store or like those kind of products, but it's different because the types of products they offer are very much like those diet focused, like vegan stuff, gluten-free, Whole30, like things that are kind of in right now. This works out really well for me, number one, because I'm vegan, but also mainly in this video because when it comes to picking facial oils, you have to be very kind of careful about what you choose. Whatever you're going to be putting on your face every day, if not several times a day, you have to make sure it's good quality. I've tried everything. I used to buy oils from Amazon, and that is just so sketch because you really don't know where it's coming from. You don't know what's in it. I've also tried going to Whole Foods and getting my oils from there, and those are great, except that they're so expensive and so pricey and something that I just cannot afford to keep up with. I did have oils sent to me in my past videos. You guys have seen oils from the company Pure Adore and then also One Naturals, and that's really great too because those I know are good quality. However, and this is like no hate or anything, but then when I go to repurchase on my own, again, they're prices that I can't really afford to like put out there. So when I need something that's good quality, and by good quality for oils, I'm basically saying cold pressed and unrefined organic. You kind of want to make sure it's all three of those things because the point of these oils is to provide all those nutrients and benefits to your face. So you don't want anything that's using a process that's going to strip those nutrients away. Thrive Market sells those kind of cold pressed, unrefined organic oils, but at a much cheaper price. The two that I got from Thrive Market, hemp oil, it's cold pressed, unrefined organic, and it's from the brand Nutiva, which is like all over Whole Foods anyway, so I actually went and compared prices online. From Whole Foods, this 16-ounce bottle is $16.99, and through Thrive Market, I got it for $11.79, so that's like $5 and some change. Next, I got this Body Care Renew Essential Oil Blend, so I thought I would try like a blend of them because essential oils on their own are really expensive. This itself retails for about $10, $9.99, and I got it for $6.50. So this one contains sweet orange oil, lemon oil, grapefruit oil, pine oil, spike lavender oil, and peppermint oil. That's kind of where Thrive Market comes in as far as this video goes. You can get a lot of the products that you would essentially get at Whole Foods, but they guarantee them 20 to 25% off of each item. You guys know I only really promote things when I really like them, and this is something, it's a service that is really beneficial to me and my lifestyle, and I feel like it might be to some of you guys out there. Basically, what Thrive Market does, it's a membership-based delivery service. So with every membership that someone like you or me buys, they actually also donate a free membership to someone in need. So I think their list was like veterans, teachers, and just low-income families in general. I love that kind of stuff. Anytime a company can do more than just make a profit, that's always a winner in my book. So with my membership, there was a free membership provided to someone else, and for anyone that signs up, they'll be doing the same for that too. On top of that, as far as benefits for you, if you use my link in the description box below, you can get a free 30-day trial. For 30 days, you can buy anything you want, and then let's say you don't like the service or whatever it is, you can cancel after 30 days. And in addition to that, if you use my link, you can get an additional 25% off of your first purchase. So additional 25 meaning that if this is already $11 compared to what it would be at Whole Foods, like $17, then you would get an additional 25% off of that, making it around $8. Now, to play devil's advocate, and just to be completely honest, I think this really only benefits someone like me with my lifestyle. So not only am I a student, but I'm also vegan. Just going to the grocery store in between my library sessions or just getting work done in itself is kind of difficult. So number one, having a service that's going to deliver stuff to my door. Second of all, me being vegan, ideally it would be nice to go to somewhere like Whole Foods every single time I want to shop. The nearest Whole Foods to me is about a 25-minute drive. And then on top of that, the prices at Whole Foods are kind of exorbitant. So for someone like me, where I have dietary restrictions and then also time restrictions, this works really well. So that's why I feel like at least try the 30-day free trial, see what they have to offer, and if it fits, it fits. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but it's worth a try. So real quick, before I move on, I did want to show you some of the kind of food items I got from Thrive Market just to kind of compare prices. One of my favorite purchases is the Earth Balance cheddar flavored squares. These taste identical to Cheez-Its, and at Whole Foods they are $3.99, and then from Thrive Market I got these guys for $3.29, 70 cents. That's almost $1. That counts. This is the Tinkyada brown rice pasta that everyone raves about. I never get these at Whole Foods because they are like $4.50, I think. On Thrive Market they are $3.29. I got this really cool maple flavored monk fruit sweetened syrup, which is essentially sugar-free. I got these crackers, which sell at Whole Foods for $5.30, and I got them here for $3.79. And I got some pumpkin granola. So Thrive Market also sells their own brand food. Okay, so that's enough of that. Let's make the facial oil now. So I am going to leave a bunch of links in the description box below. Basically links that I have kind of read over in the past few years on how to make facial oils and what oils work best for me. I feel like it's better to kind of read it on your own rather than me just kind of splurging information on the different types of oils and how you mix them together and what kind of benefits they provide for what kind of skin types. Right now I'm going to be trying 2 different types of oils. Definitely if you're going to be trying an oil for the first time, I would say try it on your arm a little bit or like underneath your chin, and just make sure that you don't get any type of reaction towards it. So I do actually have a little basket of oil. This is argan oil from the company One Naturals. I'm almost out. This was an excellent company. It was unrefined, cold pressed. It worked great, but it was sent to me when I wanted to repurchase. I kind of wasn't sure if I could spend that much. Same goes for Purador. This was sent to me. This is rosehip seed oil. I love this. This is used as like my secondary oil, so I don't use a lot, which is why it's been here for like 2 years and I still have half the bottle left. As far as it being a one-time purchase, absolutely. I mean, this is lasting me 2 years and counting. So it's worth it, but if you can find it for cheaper on, let's say, Thrive Market, then I would say go for that. This is something I bought through Amazon, and I know that it's the brand now, which is a reputable brand. I just don't trust considering I got it off of Amazon. Like, you really don't know if that's exactly what it is and where it's coming from. So that I kind of use mostly on my body now, a substitute for lotion or cream. So basically when you're making a facial oil, you kind of split it up into 3 different sections. One is a base oil, a carrier oil, and then your essential oils. So again, if you check the link down below, it'll tell you what categorizes base oils, what falls under the category of carrier and essential oils. So in the past for my base oils, I've used jojoba oil and argan oil, but this time I wanted to try something different. So considering this is my base oil, this is what's going to make up at least 1/3 of my total oil product. This is my bottle. This is the same one I've been using. I just cleaned it out. You can get this on Amazon or even the dollar store, honestly. So right now I'm just filling up almost 1/3 to 1/2 with the hemp seed oil. That's a lot. That looks like more than half, doesn't it? For my carrier oil, I'm using the Purador rosehip seed oil. I'm using this because I have it already. There's a whole list of carrier oils that you can use in the link below. One of the oils I've kind of been thinking about is carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil has kind of natural SPF properties, so especially for the summer months that are coming up, that's probably something good to look into and invest in. So now that it's a carrier oil, I've basically filled it again, maybe another 1/4 on top of what was the hemp seed oils. And then finally, what you add in basically drops is essential oils. I have chamomile essential oils that I got from Whole Foods, again, almost 1.5 to 2 years ago. This was so expensive when I first bought it. And then now I have the essential oil blend that I got from Thrive. So for each of these, I'm only gonna add in up to maybe 10 drops. And then chamomile, I add chamomile because I like the scent it gives, and then chamomile is also very calming. It helps with redness, it helps with inflammation, and that's it. So I'm gonna mix this now in the bottle itself. So I'm just gonna take the stopper, squeeze it, kind of pull in as much oil as I can, and then push it back out, and just do that so whatever's in the bottom is now coming to the top, and that's just how I'm gonna mix it. That's essentially it. It is so simple to make a facial oil. Switching over from commercial products with like chemicals and all kind of mixers and preservatives to now using just simple, what is this, like 3-4 ingredient oils has made such a huge difference in my skin. So I use my oils in the morning and at nighttime. I use it underneath my makeup. I even use it to blend in my foundation to give myself more of like a glowy finish. And then I use an extra amount at night to really let it soak in while I sleep. So I think the hardest part about getting into oil-based skin routine is just buying the oils in general and picking and choosing what oils you need, you know, the right combination that would be best for your skin. So if you have acne-prone skin, you'll see on those websites there are so many oils that are just really good for acne-prone skin. If you just have redness or inflammation, or you have dry skin, or you have oily skin, there are certain oils that can help with combating that. Again, the hardest part is buying the oils. I hope that you guys can kind of go onto Thrive Market, check out the products they have, and maybe see if it's, you know, cheaper than what you're used to or something like that. But in any case, that's pretty much it. That's how I make my facial oil every few months. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.